Richie, what you doing? Richie, what you doing? Rich, what happened?
Woo!
What happened? What happened?
I'll put the bag on your head.
No, Addie, no. Hey, did you spill? Rich, did you spill? What? What? You spilled on the couch? Oh, that's too bad. Was it a big accident? Hey, was it an oops? Richie, did you mean to? Did you mean to? What did you do that? Gross! Hey, wait, was that an accident? Foot. I got my work cut out for me today. Hey you, was that an oops? Oopsie daisy, I spilled. Yeah, the whole bag.
Put that on YouTube.
I'm glad you are getting so much amusement out of this. Who's gonna clean? Hey Richie, who's gonna clean that up? Are you gonna clean it up now? Are you gonna clean it now? Oh, are you cleaning for me? Thank you. Hey. What happened? Richie, what happened?
What happened, Mitzi? Can you tell us?
Hey, who's gonna clean up? I'm just waiting for him to say, come on.
Be careful, Richie.
Are you giving it to Chopper?
Because Choppers are vacuum cleaners.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Rich, say bye.
Come on. Nice job, buddy.
No, he's eating it.
This way, please. Please.
No, do not feed it to him, remember? You're sick. Alright, bye, Rich.
Bye. Princess. Princess.